As your party approaches, you want to make sure and keep some sort of track of how many people are coming to your party. Now, this can be made especially difficult because oftentimes the planning period is abbreviated because of the Christmas season, but try and stick with it. This is going to help you immeasurably when it comes to things like food, drink, space, and other party planning issues, making sure you keep tabs on who you know is definitely coming, who's not coming, and who you don't really know if they're coming yet or not. Because the people you don't necessarily know, these are the folks that you can target, zero in on. Follow up with emails and phone calls and other additional contacts after you send out your invitations to say, hey, you guys coming to my New Year's Eve party, it's going to be a great time, etc., etc. That way, you can have a really good handle on how many people are going to be showing up for your party. In addition to food logistics and the like, there's always the issue of fire safety. If you're trying to fit 50 people into a 25 by 25 foot space, you could have problems, especially if anybody called the fire department or the police department during your party, which hopefully won't happen, but is good to plan for just in case.